Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the BGMI mobile game battery ending test and the FPS drop test and heating test in the Realme X1 Max device after recent Realme UI 3.0 stable update. Right now as you can see, this is the Realme UI 3.0 and stable official update I am trying to use in this video for the demonstration. Let me open the BGMI mobile game right now, and battery percentage right now by the time I started the test is about 94%. As you can see, it's 94%, and this test I'm trying to do using with the Wi-Fi connection, not with the 4G data connection. And let's see what will be the overall FPS drop test and what will be the high temperatures the phone can actually reach during this process of demonstration. Initial temperatures were about 34 degrees Celsius in the beginning, and my room temperature is 32.8 degrees Celsius. In clearly see my room temperature and my phone temperature. So it's a quick drop test exactly in the boot camp. First, let's do the boot camp drop test and let's see. So what will be the overall FPS going to maintain exactly? So right now you can see in 70 FPS we are trying to show you exactly 70 FPS and 68 FPS it's maintaining. So during this process of drop test exactly in the boot camp. This is after the recent Realme UI 3.0 update. And here we go, the drop test 61 FPS. The phone has been dropped 61 FPS is the lowest value which we did see right now. Right now as you can see, when the 70 FPS got enabled, so there is no 90 FPS. Unfortunately, I'm trying to play with only with the 70 FPS, so that's the problem in the Realme X1 Max device. Because of the software updates, it's got restricted completely, so we won't be able to play it more than 70 FPS. But using some kind of tricks, you can actually play it 90 FPS as well with a set edit application. But overall, let's see how is the FPS drop test. 16 FPS it's maintaining. 69 and 68, not bad regarding the FPS count exactly at this moment. Right now as you can see, it's overall FPS 68 FPS it's maintaining.
Killing spree for the red team. Great, you're about to win. The blue team is heading to a perfect win.
So let's do the classic match drop test. Right now I've been playing for about close to 13 minutes of time as well, and you can see the real-time FPS how much it's maintaining exactly. 69 FPS it's maintaining. And right now after 15 minutes of time, the temperature is about 37 degrees Celsius in this device, 38 degrees Celsius. So finally friends, after getting close to exactly 28 minutes of time, the battery did decrease to 84%. You can clearly see friends, 10% got decreased and the temperature did increase up to 40 degrees Celsius during this process. I did play the one classic match and couple of team-net match as well, and you can see the temperature is 40.6 degrees Celsius and 10% decreased. So overall friends, you can actually play the Battlegrounds mobile game continuously non-stop for 5 hours of time in the Realme X and Max after the recent Realme UI 3.0 update. So this is a quick example which I thought of just demonstrating in this device what's going on as well. So which might give the clear idea what's happening here. But overall regarding the problems with the touch, I don't have any kind of issues with the touch, nothing at all. And overall it was able to maintain pretty good stable FPS, consistent FPS. So the lowest I did see about 60 FPS in this device. So here's a quick FPS drop test in the bootcamp map exactly again. Let's see how is the FPS gonna be there in the bootcamp. And right now we're getting about 70 FPS. You can clearly see friends, this is 70 FPS, and the CPU and the GPU percentage also you can clearly see utilization how much it is exactly at this moment. CPU and the GPU utilization right now. So you can see the FPS dropped up to 67 is the lowest value which we did see, 67, 63 is the lowest value, 68. So friends, 63 is the lowest value which we did see during this process of testing, 63. Alright friends, this is a quick battery draining test on the Realme X Max device. After playing for 40 minutes of time, the battery did decrease below 80% as well. And meanwhile, this is a quick look at the battery draining. Let me to exactly close it. The battery dropped to 80%. As you can clearly see friends, from 94 it did decrease to 80% clearly. So overall friends, 14% got decreased during this time of testing for the 40 minutes of time at this moment exactly. So overall this is a quick battery draining test, and the heating test temperature did increase up to 40 degrees during this process of demonstration while playing in the Realme X and Max device. So definitely friends, the temperature seems to be slightly close to 40 degrees, but meanwhile the FPS was able to maintain stable for the 70 FPS. That's kind of another thing after the Realme UI 3.0. So for 1 hour, there is a decrease of battery backup up to 20% for 1 hour. For half an hour, 10%. For 1 hour, 20%. So 5 hours, you can actually play the Battlegrounds mobile game continuously in the Realme X Max device. If you play non-stop continuously, that's a quick note about this Realme X Max. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching and let's for more updates and